And before we proceed, I will request a kind of introduction from the delegates because all of you are very important stakeholders in this whole community. And so, Nagpal sir, आपसे शुरू करते हैं. To one of our older champions.
Thank you very much.
Talk about.
I'm sorry, I'm putting out 4 hats at this moment, and at this moment maybe I'm getting bald too. I am convener of the task force of health sector reforms in Jammu and Kashmir, which is reviving the health sector completely with a very significant focus on public-private partnerships. It's to strengthen healthcare infrastructure and also improve efficiency of the public sector. The second hat is that I'm the member board of governors and the director general of Amity. We are setting up 6 institutes of medical sciences countrywide, starting with Haryana and Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. I also have, I'm chairman of a healthcare council of Feedback Ventures, which is a very prolific organization countrywide into infrastructure, building townships and power plants, etc., etc. I think three have been said. Most significantly, this is a very major initiative that has been taken by Delhi government, economic advisor to the and the trustee on the Apna Swasthya Bima Yojana, and we have the CEO sitting here. It's a very prolific endeavor where almost 10 lakh families are going to be brought under a mandated national insurance. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Kindly on the mic. Yeah.
My name is P.K. Narula. I'm into healthcare solutions, very different than normally known. We're into the physical logistics solutions, most popularly known as pneumatic tube systems, and various other high-tech areas we cover. We are a relatively very young institution. We are this year 58th years in business. So I think we have enjoyed, we have seen the transition from whatever was there in 50s and 60s and to what we are seeing now is fantastic, phenomenal, very good. We appreciate the initiative and we think we all are going to benefit out of it and go a long way. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Sairam. I head the global marketing and alliances for this company called Napier Healthcare, based out of Hyderabad, headquartered out of Singapore. It used to be formerly Karishma Software. They've been doing into the healthcare HIS stuff from '96. This is the new global brand that we have taken and then bringing into the market. Since I'm an outright software guy, I've been into enterprise software for the last 13 plus years. And healthcare is extremely new to me. So if you don't mind, if I make a mistake in terms of using any terminologies, I would expect a forgiveness for myself. So what we do is we do an end-to-end HIS implementation, which is a natively built software, which is extremely technology-driven. And apart from that, we have modules catering to telemedicine, CDSS, the PACS, and the specialty clinics. And we are based out of Hyderabad, global offices in Singapore. We have offices in Bangalore, Bombay, and and Gurgaon. We're getting into the US market with an integrated EMR offerings. And we hope to serve and what we call, we want to bring health ovation to the market. We innovate around the healthcare space. Thanks.
Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Deepak Gupta, and I'm from a company by the name Computer Sciences Corporation. It's a $16 billion IT services company which operates out of more than 50 different countries. I very specifically focus on the healthcare sector and providing IT solutions catering primarily to the European sector. And one of the large programs that I run on the IT side is for the National Health Services, NHS of UK. The reason that I'm here is now we have a lot of focus coming up on the Indian sector, which we have not had in the past. And our idea is to start to cater our services to the Indian marketplace starting on. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Narendra Naik. I'm also from Computer Science Corporation, and like Deepak said, I've recently joined to start bringing all our expertise in the global healthcare space into the Indian market. Just to add to what Deepak said, I think we are a very strong player in the healthcare space across all three sub-segments, the provider, the payer, and the life sciences space. So we do work for large chains of hospitals. We have some very strong products around hospital management, lab management, etc. And we really look forward to bringing all that expertise and skills, which is actually present in India. We cater all that from India to the Indian healthcare industry and to players in the healthcare industry, Indian healthcare industry. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Dr. Kapil. I am from Iosta Software Technologies India Limited. We are into the market since last 1999, and we have 2 offices in India. One is at Coimbatore and one is at Chennai, and one office is at USA. We provide complete healthcare management solutions, which is a highly innovative and web-based solutions. And currently we are carrying about 60 to 65 clients in India and 250 clients in USA. And we are looking forward to provide the more innovations, solutions to the healthcare industry, both to the private and public sectors. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Justin. I represent the Christian Medical Association of India. This is an association of 350 missionary hospitals, which includes CMC Vellore and Ludhiana. And also we have 5 medical colleges. It's a more than century-year-old organization. I had an institution development desk. We try to help the struggling mission hospital, trying to bring quality and patient safety in our hospital, in our hospitals. And also we have a team of assessors. We go around and try to introduce NABH in our hospitals. It's a great opportunity to meet all of you. Over to my colleagues.
Hi, I'm Stephen Victor. I head the administrator section of the CMAI, Christian Medical Association of India. My area of operation is hospital engineering and HR.
Hi, good morning everyone. Myself Neetu Singh, and I am working as project officer in Christian Medical Association of India. This organization has national presence and we are working towards introducing quality in our hospitals, and we are here to update our hospitals for technological advancements happening in the industry. Thank you all.
Good morning. My name is Vibhav Agarwal. I'm the regional manager for Export Development Canada, which is the Canadian equivalent of the US Exim or the Exim Bank of India. I would first like to congratulate Mr. Gupta and Dr. Narayanan for the 50th issue of eHealth and wishing them all success in the years to come. I'm here with my colleague Leena, and we are looking to bring more Canadian expertise, both in terms of technology and services, to the Indian healthcare sector. So it's a process of understanding the way forward for us here. Thank you.
Hi, good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Uma Nambiar. I work for the Fortis Healthcare System. Currently, I look after the hospitals in the West Zone in Mumbai. I'm basically a neurosurgeon by profession and also a trained hospital administrator. So I have special interest in IT and clinical engineering besides being my neurosurgery, and that's how I'm here.
Hello. Good morning. My name is Tumbe Moideen. I am the president of Gulf Medical University and GMC hospitals in the UAE. We are a private medical university and a chain of hospitals, dreaming of coming back to India and establishing ourselves. Thank you very much.
Good morning. I'm Vinod Ibrahim. I'm the Assistant Director for External and International Affairs of the Gulf Medical University. We receive students from over 52 countries, and our hospital receives patients from 119 nationalities. And I take care of the External and International Affairs of the university. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Dr. Rajiv Jain. I'm Director Health and Family Welfare in the Ministry of Railways, Government of India. Ministry of Railways, besides being the largest employer in the world, also happens to be the only single largest occupational health service in the world. Also happens to be the single largest healthcare provider in this country under single management. All across the country, with 2,500 doctors, 50,000 paramedical personnel, 125 hospitals, 13,000 beds under single management, and not charged by the employees at any point of time during the lifetime. That is no model of comprehensive healthcare services available in the world where no charge is levied on the person who takes the care. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Bimlendu Verma. I represent Canon. We are, in fact, part of Canon's R&D in software development. And the reason why we are here is that we are part of Canon's initiative to bring the next-gen health equipment devices. And we are responsible for bringing the India focus for these devices. So we are studying the healthcare industry needs, and that will be implemented in the next-gen Canon devices. I am coming here with 4 of my colleagues from Canon. Thank you.
I am Ram. I'm here because I'm interested in telehealth, mHealth, and other kind of newer applications using information and communication technologies, just to understand the scope of the entire thing in health. Thank you.
Good morning, I'm Archana. I am a lecturer and writer on health issues, and my basic interest is in disseminating the information on this.
Hi, morning. My name is Jay Mehta. I represent YDoc Healthcare Solutions from Mumbai. We have various host of medical record management solutions, EMR, PHR, etc. Also patient management solutions. We provide that to a host of hospitals in Mumbai and also to individual patients. Recently, we have added about 1,000 medical tourism patients, taken over the patient management work for them. We also create something called as virtual record rooms for hospitals, taking care of their entire record management and also taking care of the physical storage in our document warehouses. Thank you.
Morning. My name is Dhiren Disa. I'm the business head of Indus Health Plus. We're a 10-year-old company in the field of prevention. We do about 60,000 high-end checkups aimed at preventing heart disease. And we also we have a loyalty card called Health Friend, which provides patients and other services in hospitals. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Dr. Andy Khurana, Chief Operating Officer from Primary Super Specialty Hospital located in Chanakyapuri, New Delhi, a high-end surgical center and accredited by NABH. After having its presence felt in the city of Delhi, we are into setting up an international venture at Abuja, Nigeria very shortly. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Ramakrishnan here.